Should I buy or sell Exxon? The report for Exxon was first published on our website Friday, November 18, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since October 4, 2022, our system ranks Exxon as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.124. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 17.59% since we first told you to buy Exxon 34 days ago. This is an average return of 0.52% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Exxon, our last headline reads, Exxon stock upgraded from hold/accumulate to buy candidate after Friday trading session. The Exxon stock price fell by -0.0446% on the last day, Friday, November 18, 2022, from $112.08 to $112.03. It has now fallen 4 days in a row. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.35% from a day low at $109.61 to a day high of $112.19. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a -0.25% loss for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 3 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 11 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.18 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $114.66, and the lowest price was $57.96. Right now the price is 2.3%, or $2.63, below 52-week high at $114.66, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the upper part of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $115.45 will firstly indicate a stronger rate of rising. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 23.38% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 7.17% and 27.14%. The 12-month trend indicates a 57.25% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 27% and 61.3%. This equals a price between $142.28 and $180.71 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Friday, November 11, 2022, Piper Sandler set price target to 131. On Tuesday, November 1, 2022, Exane BNP Paribas set price target to 115. On Wednesday, October 19, 2022, Morgan Stanley set price target to 114. On Tuesday, October 18, 2022, JP Morgan set price target to 103. On Friday, October 7, 2022, Wells Fargo set price target to 116. From analysts, Exxon stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Exxon. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, November 15, 2022, and so far it has fallen -2.09%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Some positive signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Exxon stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $112.81. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $106.30. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 32 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 30 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Exxon. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $98 and $95.59. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Exxon finds support just below today's level at $98. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $95.59 and $93.21. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $2.58 between high and low, or 2.35%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 1.86%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Exxon. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Exxon currently has a price-earning ratio of 9.23. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Exxon meets first resistance at $112.31. If you do not hold Exxon shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Exxon finds first level of support at $98, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Exxon is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On October 31, 2022, Tally Darren L. made an inside sell of 2,500 of common stock. On August 5, 2022, UAB and Jeffrey W. made an inside buy of 4,561 of common stock. On August 5, 2022, UAB and Jeffrey W. made an inside buy of 35,439 of common stock. On August 4, 2022, UAB and Jeffrey W. made an inside buy of 682,319 of common stock. On August 4, 2022, UAB and Jeffrey W. made an inside buy of 169,214 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 18.103. In total, the insiders bought 24,180,556,301 and sold 1,682,212 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $107.94, minus 3.65%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 3 days ago. Is Exxon stock a buy? Several of the signals/indicators are negative, and we believe that this will affect on the development for the next days and maybe possible weeks. However, over time, we think that today's level holds a possible buying opportunity and that the price will be higher during or at the end of this 3-month period. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 21st, we expect Exxon to open down $0.753 and start trading at $111.28. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to